Hi people, to 6 minutes. So this week's episode is going to feature movie review. We're going to review some of my favorite films, past and present. The review today is a film starring Lee Van Cleef, Ninja Masters 1. Ninja Masters has Lee Van Cleef and another guy that looks like he came from...
Bruh.
The plot of the movie is the Ninja Master, Lee Van Cleef, or Ninja, and then he meets Max, and they become ninjas together. They hang out there, and there's this wheelchair lady, and they teach her how to walk. Just normal ninja stuff. Then there is a part in the movie where a wheelchair girl's friend gets, taken hostage. So then they have to pay off the ransom and get her back bar because somebody grabbed his bag of tricks with all his ninja tools. It's a really cool film. You can watch the original on YouTube or the Mystery Science Theater 3000 version. There's Something Wrong with You, as well as, the Mystery Science version is much better. Next up is the interview. We've tried to get him on for a long time. Pete Drake. Walk. People, welcome back to the interview part of the show of Bright Time with Lucas. Thanks to you guys for giving me all that money from my videos. I made about 13 cents, and today's interviewee is Pete Drake. Now, if you're not aware who Pete Drake is, he was a steel guitarist who wrote the song Forever, and where the steel guitar actually talks. So without further ado, Pete Drake.
Thank you for having me here, Lucas.
My pleasure. So now it's got both of us. But, so I hear that you play a steel guitar. Is this true?
Boy, do I ever.
Play us a little piece?
Well, I'll play a song, and then I'll tell you a story.
Okay. And see, I'll back you up with my 6 string. See, guys, I play the guitar too.
We're gonna make quite the pair, Lucas.
Alright, you lead. Well, that was just a wonderful song. Rocket B.
Thank you, Kim Jong-un.
So, you said you were going to tell us a story.
Bruh. I did say that, didn't I?
You kind of did. What's your back?
Circus Peanuts. Humble beginnings. Terrytown, Nebraska. A number of years.
Were you the higher class of Terrytown with the double wide, or
2 tool sheds.
the double wide, or
Decided I didn't want to stay in the small town forever. Moved on. I went to the big city of Billings, Montana. Met a fellow named Peter
Drake? Oh,
more like working retail. Circus Peanuts. I observed Peter.
the third person, or
Circus Peanuts. That's interesting. My name is Peter as well. I'm referred to as Pete.
Go with that from here on out. Peter.
Put a tube in his Pete. He plays guitar. Always admired that. I thought it was one of the most amazing things I'd ever seen. Independently?
the guitar, because it's actually more interesting than the person. So what's another word for a long time? So, guitar, how do you like your candy? Okay, so what's a word for talking very quietly?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's just like him.
So, if you could, there's been rumors spreading about you that you're part of the Illuminati. Well, thank you for coming on the show, Guitar, and who's this again?
Don't ask him that. Master.
Well, thank you.
Bruh.